I hope they're ready for some bangers. Subscribe, like, and turn on your post notifications.
Whoa! Like, look at our skin, girl. Look at our skin. Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Tamika.
Hello, gorgeous.
All right, so today it is Vlogman. Sorry. Today it is Vlogtober number 6. We have been doing good, haven't we?
Yes, we've been doing very excellent.
Oh, I think so. I think so. All right, so in today's video, we are going to be doing a skincare routine. Okay, so this is going to be London's first time actually having a little skincare regimen. So we're going to be using a little bit of Dollar Tree products and a little bit of Walmart products, you know what I'm saying? But overall, we are going to get it done. I am going to be using like a brush tool, where London is just going to use the palm of her hands. All right, just the palm of your hands.
Oh, so I'm not using this?
Yeah, the palm of your hands, you go like this, but your fingertips, I mean, just your little fingertips like this.
Oh,
just smooth it out. All right, so first we're going to go in with these whites. So these are the charcoal cleansing whites. You can get these out of Dollar Tree.
I thought you got them from Walmart.
I don't remember.
You got them at Walmart. I think so.
Alright, so you're going to grab your own whites. Even if you have makeup on or you don't. I do not have on makeup, but I'm just going to cleanse my face anyway. Alright, so boom. Next, we are going to go in with this right here, which is from Dollar Tree, okay? Alright, so this is a watermelon. So this is watermelon daily cleanser. So that means you're going to be, you know, washing your face every single day. So in the morning time, you might want to, you know, grab this, put it on.
Also, no more smell taken away.
Wrong. Alright, so we're going to put this over our face. Looking brush here. It is a two-sided. It has the soft brush and then a little exfoliator on the other side. I got this out of Burlington. Okay, so London's going to go ahead and wash her face. Alright. And then I'm going to go in with this side right here to exfoliate.
Ooh, face wash.
Feeling nice and hydrated, right? All right, so next we're going to go in with another Dollar Tree product. So this is a facial hydration, sea something algal and rose heat oil, but it's not. So just rub it on your face, London. Our skin feels very nice and hydrated. Exactly, hydrated. But that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So make sure you please go ahead and subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe and comment what do you think. And
right now. Alright, so talk to you a little bit later. See you tomorrow.
Bye. Quick little update, you guys, before we end the video. I'm snuggled. So my tooth had came out. So it was wiggly at first. Until I told my mom about it. She had took it out. It felt it. No. Like you would not want to get your teeth pulled out. It felt it. It's not like not awesome. It felt it so weird. Well, not weird. But it hurted, basically. So this tooth right there, the one I showed you, is missing. It's completely